Lie down on your stomach. Place your legs extended back and in a straight line with your hips. Keep your feet tops on the floor in resting position. Place your forearms perpendicular to the floor and twist your elbows in, keeping your palms close to your waist. Take a full breath and apply pressure on your hands as though you're forcing yourself along the floor. After that, keep your arms straight and raise your upper body upwards. Take a deep breath and gradually raise your thighs off the floor. Your body now is supported on your hands and on the tops of your toes. Try to keep your shoulder bones firm and allow the weight to be focused on your sternum. Now breathe in and out and come back down slowly to the mat to form your initial position.